Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert checkboxes in Google Sheets. So first of all you want to go into this website, which is google.com/sheets, and then go to this sheets option, and then it will basically show you some sheets templates, and you can basically start a new sheet as well, and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account, and then click on this blank sheet here, and it will open up a blank sheet here to use. So now basically let's suppose that if we want checkboxes in column A, so we will select the number of cells here, so let's suppose 10, and then we will go to this insert option, and then here we should have the checkboxes option. Okay, so here we have the tick box. It should be the name of tick box here. So tap on tick box, and here you can see that we have these beautiful tick boxes here. Okay, and we can basically also change their values to true and false as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.